Listen to this. It's September 18th, and there's some significance as to why there's a siren going off. I'm not exactly sure why yet. Something to do with Japan in 1931. Okay, so a little life update. The last apartment I was living in, the price is gonna jack way up during the Chinese national holiday. So we're checking out a new place. Just here. Looked a little bit nicer in the picture, but look, got a little kitchen. Nice. Nice big old bed. 冰箱. Nice big old 冰箱 fridge. What else do we need? Closet. Nice. 电视. 洗衣机在哪里? CG is washing machine. 也有烘干吗？烘干？一样的洗衣机吗？
有烘干吗？
这里有烘干吗？
烘干这个的话，
好像没有。
这是洗。
我没看到它有。
这个我们楼下有那个可以洗衣房可以烘干，就是
在下楼？
在负二，他们那边就是要收费的。
哦，要配。
View from the most likely new apartment building. Very nice. Very cool. Okay. Plugs. It's a plug. Bed soft. Bed seat soft. Nice. 有洗衣机应该有下楼应该有烘干。想看那个洗澡。See the shower. Shower's nice. Mayo drying.